Welcome to Diskitari viewers. Remember to give the show a like. Remember to subscribe. Sizokhuluma ngendaba yaka Hugo Bros. Why is Hugo Bros not selecting Kaizer Chiefs players? It has been revealed why Hugo Bros angaselect ama player with Kaizer Chiefs. So don't go anywhere. We'll talk about that. We'll talk about the likes of Flavio Silva. We'll talk about Owado. Talk about Dillian Kerr on Basadine. We'll talk about Jessica Motaung's son, who is coach Lapayana Guma under 15 Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Motaung's legacy. So please, guys, thank you for tuning in. Remember to give the show a like and subscribe. But first, guys, asimuzwa ukuthi Hugo Bros uthini.
Well, well, I have to say, do I have to thank you for saying me that because I didn't know. So you know how I feel and what I think about social media. I don't follow that, not at all. And I think if I should read those things, that I should laugh, because those are people who are suddenly think that they are important, and on social media they can say what they want. It's really nonsense. It's ridiculous, and it doesn't affect me at all. But thank you that you mentioned it.
Yeah, that was Hugo Bros. Hugo Bros. Ulokhuzana Bobby Motaung has revealed that Hugo Bros was supposed to come to Kaizer Chiefs and be the head coach. That was back in 2018. However, Kaizer Chiefs and Hugo Bros could not agree terms on the contract. That is why Hugo Bros ended up not coaching Kaizer Chiefs. So yeah, that was in 2018. You'll remember in 2018, the Kaizer Chiefs, they decided to go for Ernst Middendorp. They gave Ernst Middendorp his second term at the club. So yeah, that was after failing to agree terms with Hugo Bros. Hugo Bros bengabe waqeqesha iqembu le-Kaizer Chiefs ngo-2018 before Ernst Middendorp's second stint. And yeah, it is history now that Ernst Middendorp would later he would go on to lead the league for the whole season. Unfortunately, azange ayiwine i-league, losing it on the last day to Mamelodi Sundowns. Yeah, usho kanjalo uBobby ibeka kanjalo indaba yaka Hugo Bros. I guess it is because of the outcry that we've seen on social media from Kaizer Chiefs fans complaining ukuthi Hugo Bros akafuni ukuselecta ama-player we-Kaizer Chiefs. So angazi-ke mina whether maybe equal or whatever, but I think he's a professional and he's coaching the national team. I don't think maybe that would be the reason, but yeah, you know, abantu abafani, maybe just maybe, because we can see maybe uh, two or three players they do deserve to be selected. I don't know whether Hugo Bros will still select a player with Kaizer Chiefs and consider them for the AFCON or even for the World Cup, but he did say that 75% of his squad is already decided. So he is using the game against Zambia to gauge ukuthi the rest of the squad, the remaining 25%. So yeah, guys, that is Hugo Bros and Bobby Motaung going at each other directly. Bobby uthi azange bamqashe Hugo Bros because of his demands. That is why angayithandi Kaizer Chiefs. Those are the breaking news. Flavio Silva, guys, is being compared to. I want us to have a discussion on the comment section. I think Jalen, guys, I don't know whether I'm going to put his stats on the screen for you. I'm gonna put my stats are Flavio Silva, the best strikers from the big three, Reynes, and then Flavio Silva and Moremi. Those are the top goal scorers. I'll put them on the list. You can see Amakol Waga Reynes is done well, absolutely. Fitted in Wamafia Lapakuma Melody Sundowns, no Moremi. He's done extremely well. It didn't take long to fit in to the Orlando Pirates team. That is Umoremi and Flavio Silva. Flavio Silva, I don't remember him even playing 45 minutes. However, he has scored 4 goals in those 5 games. Those stats, those are it is world-class stats. So stats wabona ngabo Ronaldo. You know, when you'll remember, guys, my Chiefs might have Flavio Silva. We had a debate. We were all thinking, we all gave him judgment. Some of us were saying he is a cow and begang enough first touch. And yeah, I personally was not impressed with his first touch, Masimbona Lapaya in the Netherlands. I did tell you guys, Uguti, he needs to be given a chance. And the Siabona Lapaya League say Kalile Flavio Silva, 4 goals in 5 games. So there's definitely no doubt in terms of equality. And Flavio Silva, in terms of positioning, it looks like our teammates wakhe sewayaqala understand, especially combination yakhe noSirinho. It is looking very good. Both of them being used as an impact player. I think both of them are going to be crucial. Lapayana Bukef Confederations Cup, where Kaizer Chiefs are coming up against two Egyptian giants. And as you know, guys, after the international break, Kaizer Chiefs is Ohamba Egypt. Yeah, I think they will be looking for positive results, and also against Zamalek as well. And also, I think they have a big chance against Zesco United. Zesco, there is a little bit of history between Kaizer Chiefs and Zesco United. So sizobona laphana ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani between Zesco United and Kaizer Chiefs. There's a little bit of history laphaya, any revenge yafuneka. I'm thinking Kaizer Chiefs will want to get one over Zesco United, who eliminated them 5-2 during the last Confed Cup. Chiefs they participated on that one and they got knocked out by Zesco. However, you know, Kaizer and Jomba Ngisengishile during the last show, Kulmile nama player watucela CAF Confederations Cup for birthday yakhe. Kaizer Chiefs uVallebai, guys, drop your thoughts on comments. What do you think of Vallebai and that new front line between Dushabalala, Vallebai, no Vilakazi? Yeah, that looks very impressive. No, Igodaro, that competition between Igodaro and impact player Flavio Silva. I think Flavio Silva deserves to start. And guys, unfortunately, Ulo Morris, they say he is depressed and he is joining Ulo Duprier Lapayana in terms of attending psychological sessions. So yeah, that is Kaizer Chiefs strikers are depressed, not happy because of not receiving playing time, just like Lapayana Mamelodi Sundowns. Dillian Kerr saying that who converted Pasadine from midfield. He used to be a midfielder, converted Pasadine to a left back. And Dillian Kerr says Pasadine when a mistake, and he understands why Pasadena Mamelodi Sundowns, because of the money. Football is a short career. However, that move has not been a rosy one. Pasadine not playing, losing his place. Lapayana Bafana, his AFCON ticket in jeopardy. It looks like he won't be going to the AFCON, and if it continues like this, he won't be going to the World Cup. So yeah, it looks like that has been a wrong move, just like move Morris not playing Lapayana Kaizer Chiefs. That is how it is. Lapayana big clubs, some players will definitely not play when they get there. Some of them, it turns out Basindwa Jersey. VAR is going live next season, guys. VAR will be going live with PSL Sizobona. Eva, drop your thoughts on comments. Do you think VAR is long overdue? Jessica Mutawong's son. If you guys don't know him, let me put him on the screen. Who came in Mutawong Siemens, who coach under 15 Lapayana Kaizer Chiefs. Do you think he's a Kaizer Chiefs coach? He's following in the footsteps. Sayababona Kemiso digital manager, Jessica, marketing manager, Bobby Mutawong, football manager, Kaizer Mutawong Jr., football director. it's that legacy yaga Kaizer Motaung. It's going on now to the grandchildren. One of them is the coach Lapayana Guma under 17. Under 15, excuse me. Under 17s, congratulations for reaching out, for reaching World Cup knockout stages. Balingisela ama under 20 last month by bafika nabo kuma knockout stages. Hopefully neBafana Bafana they will reach ama knockout stages nabo. Junior Kanye uthi uVilakazi is being played out of position. Angazi nami why I am talking about Junior Kanye. I don't like to talk about him, but he says Vilakazi is being played out of position and looks like he's not being developed properly. I strongly disagree with them. Junior Kanye just needs to let abo Cedric Gazi and Open Yosef bayenze umsebenzi wabo. Bakhulumile ngoJunior Kanye, uCedric Gazi ukhulumile ngoMntu Shabalala saying that he needs to improve his assist and goals. Simbonile during the last game, he did exactly what the coach was saying, which was score goals and assist, wawina man of the match. And I'm sure the coach has spoken about uVilakazi, umnikezile starting lineup. He is starting to start more games, and I'm sure he will be improving. Ngimbonile laphayana ashaya i-10 aqeda ngumuntu uVilakazi. Ngibona uMntu Shabalala uzibamba ikhanda. That was a beautiful piece of skill by Vilakazi, and I'm sure he is going to make more influence, going to have more influence laphayana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, guys, I will talk about, remember to watch the next show. I'll tell you about the Kaizer Chiefs players that are going on loan in January. Kaizer Chiefs players that will be going on loan in January. The likes of Abu Morris, the likes of Abu Mabasa, Tashrik Morris, Bontle Karabo, Tony Jansen, and possibly even Fia Krintwari. But we'll talk about that in the next show. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.